we want to give a special thanks to Moose for sending us these dolls as a gift. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Capsule Chix, built to be unique. This is a brand new line from Moose Toys, the same fabsome people that brought us Shopkins and Shoppies. On the box at the top it says, there are over 4 billion looks to create across Series 1. You can build your own mix and match fashion doll with 5 surprise capsules and over 15 pieces inside. For ages 6 and up. On Amazon, they have a suggested retail price of $14.99. There are 4 different ones to choose from: Ram Rock, Giga Glam, the Control Alt Magic Collection, and the Sweet Circuits Collection. So you can pick out which collection you like, but what's inside is a surprise. Which look will you find? On the back of the box, it says, Capsule Chix. Let's style surprise you with Capsule Chix, the head-turning cyber stylers who always look unique, chic. Enter the future of fashion where every capsule delivers a fresh new addition to your wardrobe. Mix and match pieces to create looks that are truly one of a kind. Let your style run wild. These dolls are built to be posable with 14 points of articulation, over 400 pieces to collect, over 4 billion looks to build. Which unique look will you create? Look out for ultra rare fabric. And like many surprise boxes, there is a limited edition doll. Will you find the limited edition doll inside? Well, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to find out. Today we have the Ram Rock collection and the Giga Glam, so let's open them up for a closer look. They are packaged in a capsule machine. On the side it says, dial up your style. I'm gonna open this little door here and it says pull, so let's do that. Inside, we have a little magazine showcasing the same doll on the front of the box. Wow, it really looks like a magazine. But I do believe this is the collector's guide. What a cool way to make a collector's guide! Here we can see different faces with makeup. On the next page, it says fashion must-haves and it tells you which collection to find it in. This is the limited edition look. It shows different ways we can mix and match our style and lots of other fun looks we can create. And on the back, there are some basic instructions, like for turning the dial. And that is so awesome! Oh, wow! We have our first little capsule here. Just remove the plastic, twist off the top, pull out the bag, and tear it open. Our first surprise is a fuzzy shirt with hands that are articulated. We have movement at the wrist, and at the elbow, and at the shoulder. That's pretty cool. Oops. Oh yeah, that's right. You can customize every part of this doll, so that's normal too. And it has a pretty decent range of motion. Our next surprise is inside of this capsule. There we go. Open the bag, and whoa, it's a face! And a stand! It looks like RRF01. This is pretty cool. I'm just gonna place the head on this little peg here. Wow, we are assembling our own little robot. She's got little robot ears. And we can place this leg brace into the top of the lid from the capsule, give it a little turn to make a doll stand. 2 capsules down, 3 to go. Ooh, this is fun. This one's kind of heavy. Maybe we have some legs in here. So let's take out the plastic bag, open it, and yeah, legs. little robot legs with a belt that just fits right over the top. Check out this articulation. We can move it at the hip, at the knee, and at the ankle. The different pieces can be detached, but I strongly advise being careful so you do not break the joints. Now let's give our little robot some legs. A little bit of elbow grease there. Uh-oh. Don't worry, I can fix that. And she's as good as new. Let's get some more accessories. We need some hair. So maybe this time we'll get hair. And yes, hair! It's 2 pieces and it's fuzzy. Let's put this on the back of the head. It should fit right in place. There we go. Then add this piece to the front to give her a new do. Inside the capsule, we also found a pair of sunglasses. There's a peg on the side that fits right into their little robot ears to help them stay in place. We should have 1 capsule left. I wonder what we will find this time. Hopefully some fun accessories. And yeah, that looks like a purse. We got a red purse, a neon yellow watch, and a pair of shoes. So this is everything that was in the box. 5 plastic capsules, a magazine collector's guide, a doll with 1 outfit, and a doll stand. I was hoping it would have more than 1 outfit so we could mix and match on the spot. So it looks like we'll have to open another one to get that mix and match experience. This is Giga Glam. Let's open the little door and take out the magazine. There are different faces we can collect in this collection. Another limited edition doll with new hairstyles and accessories. Let's turn the dial to get our first capsule. There it is. Ooh, this one's purple. So the capsules change with the collections. Our first surprise is a top. Do you see that? The undershirt has the Moose Toys logo. That's adorable. We have new hand poses, and the clothing is not fuzzy this time. Time for our second capsule. There we go. If these are going in the same order as the last one, then this one will most likely be ahead. And it feels like it is. Let's see. Yup, another face, which is very similar to our Ram Rock face, only different makeup. We also got the leg brace, so we can make a purple doll stand. Now let's attach the head, and we're on to capsule 3. I gotta say, I enjoy the capsule machine. Hopefully this is a pair of legs. No, it is a pair of shoes. Pearly blue shoes with a pink pearly purse and a purple watch. Wait a minute, is that even a watch? It has a face that looks just like the dial on the front of the box and on the back of the doll. Capsule number 4. I'm excited to see what the legs are, so hopefully this is legs. I'm thinking that might be a pair of legs. Hold on, let's open this up. Oh no, it's not perforated. It's a different bag. Oh wait, it is perforated across the top. Oh, that was easy. And we have a pair of legs with a colorful layered skirt. The skirt and legs are 2 separate pieces and can be detached, but right now, I am going to put my capsule chick together. Then give her the shoes and the purse. All we need now is hair. Bringing us to our very last capsule, which has to be the hair. Oh, it's another bag that has the perforated edge across the top. Yep, there we go. And inside we have sparkly hair. Just snap the 2 pieces together to finish her look. And now that we have 2 capsule chicks, we can mix and match their accessories to create unique looks. These dolls stand a little under 5 inches. The mix and match styling reminds me of Off the Hook dolls. Off the Hook dolls are about $6. They also have fabric accessories, but they do have limited articulation, whereas the Capsule Chix are fully posable at $14.99. It looks like the Capsule Chix all come in the same skin tone, which makes mixing and matching a lot easier. The packaging is reusable. Just open it at the top to reload the capsules. I am a big sci-fi fan, so I really like the idea of building your own fashion bot. I love the Japanese cultural influence, and the unboxing process is a lot of fun. In the future, it would be awesome if you could get just the capsules with accessories so you can continue to mix and match and keep the cost down. Because I really like the idea of being able to customize my own mini dolls. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Capsule Chix. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.